So, today I'm going to talk about qualities of great startup CEO. I'm going to talk about 9 points, crisp and clear. So please watch video till the end, and I'm sure you will relish the advice which I have gathered from my mentors and gurus. So point number 1, you need to be great at execution. So execution is point number 1. You must get stuff done. As they say, you must get shit done. Because role of a startup CEO or even other leaders, is to ensure that they get stuff done. They get into the things, and they make sure that they ensure things happen in a time-bound fashion. So you can't be goody-goody, you have to ensure that whatever work is to be done needs to be ensured that it gets executed well in time. They actually follow the power of compounding, not in terms of, in finance, we talk about power of compounding. In work also, you have to move several steps every single day. Then only you keep compounding, your learning, your growth, your sales, your business, and everything. So execution is point number 1. Point number 2, they learn from their mistakes. Because as somebody has said, learning is good, practice is good, but practice should not become permanent, So great CEOs must ensure that they learn from their mistakes and ensure that next time they do not repeat the same mistake again and again. And they also ensure that this happens with their team as well. So learn from the mistakes. Number 3, they are ready to dive deep into everything, So they should have a habit of digging deep. For example, if sale is not happening, they must dive deep into the reasons and ensure that we analyze what is going wrong at what level, so that sales can pick up. Same way, you need to dive into inventory, you need to dive into receivables, you need to dive into every single piece of execution. So number 3 is dive deep into business. Point number 4, a great leader or a great startup CEO needs to be excellent communicator. After all, if a CEO is not able to specifically communicate his vision to all the stakeholders, to the customers, to the investors, what best he can achieve out of that. So there is extremely important quality of any CEO is to ensure that he is a great communicator and he is able to communicate his vision to everyone around. Quality number 5, it's very important to hire the right kind of team for a great CEO. He needs to ensure that people who are on his ship are having specific qualities. Number 1 quality which comes is integrity, and it starts from the top. So he himself needs to be very, very high integrity person. Same way, people who are hired by him needs to be of very high integrity. Number 2, people whom he is hiring, they are very, very passionate about what they are doing. They should follow the passion, which runs the organization thread, all across. Number 3, he needs to hire people who are smart. Even smarter than him, so that the ambience which gets created, the environment which gets created is so rich that the force of execution, creativity becomes a major force. So point number 5 is have a very highly effective team which he is hiring. Number 6, and this is extremely important for a CEO or a leader, he needs to be steady at the wheel. Means he should not be too excited when good things are happening. Also means that he should not be too low when things are not happening, because for a CEO or for a startup, things do go up, things do go down, exciting things happen, exciting things do not happen, and team always looks forward to the leader. So it is extremely important for a business leader or a startup CEO to ensure that he's steady at the wheel. He delivers what he speaks. At the same time, he is very steady in his conduct. Last 3 points now. These points I call 3F. So point number 7 and the first F, focus. Focus. For a great startup CEO or a business leader, it's very important that he stays intensely focused on his goals, his organization goals. Somebody has said focus is FOCUS, follow one course until successful. Means you stay sharp, you stay so focused, your team stays so focused that you end up achieving your goals in a time bound manner. Not only achieve, you can exceed if you are intensely focused on your goal. Point number 8, and this is the next F, followers. A great leader, a startup leader, needs to cultivate a very strong followers team, which follows, which shares his vision, his execution, his strategy. So it is extremely important for a good, I would say great startup CEO to create long-term followers, a team which always look forward to him, which participates in his work, which participates in his vision, and ensure that together these followers are able to drive ship extremely well. So that was point number 8, followers. And the last but not least, the third F, what I call, is fun. Rather, I would say fun and generosity. So any great leader needs to have funny bent of mind, somebody who is intelligent enough to blend fun and generosity in his work. He must ensure that the fruit gets divided into his team. So he needs to be generous with equity. He needs to be generous with praise, so he should praise people in front of everyone. And if he want to give feedback, he should give it in isolation. And to an extent, he should take blame on him for the failure of the team. So the third point, which is extremely good and needed for a great startup CEO, is fun and generosity. By the way, this is One Horizon Center, and I'm also showing you the places which I like in Gurgaon. So I kind of hang out on Sundays, make these kind of videos. Now the bonus point, and which is the most important, and where I summarize: integrity. A great startup CEO needs to ensure that he observes highest standard of integrity, not only for him, for the team, and ensure that he gives what he commits through integrity, no shortcuts, and ensures ROI for investors and all the stakeholders. So all the very best, my friends. Go, work hard, and become a great leader. Thank you very much.